Do you know what today is? It's Farmerized Friday. And today, in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to demonstrate how we harden off our young seedlings. Have you ever bought a plant at a big box store, got it home, put it in a planter, or maybe in your garden, and it didn't thrive? It may have even died. Well, there's a good chance that plant wasn't hardened off properly. We overcome this problem by gently introducing our plants to the outdoors. Plants grown under light have a very cushy life. There's very little wind, the humidity and temperature controlled, and the light they're exposed to doesn't have a lot of UV with it. Ultraviolet rays in particular can be very hard on tender plants. To start the process of hardening off plants, we'll put them outdoors but under cover, in this case on our front porch. We keep them out of direct sunlight to reduce UV exposure. Also, they don't spend a ton of time outside. We're just gradually introducing them to the great outdoors. Over the next few days, we'll gradually increase the amount of time they're exposed to the sun. Just a few hours at first, leading up to a full day. We'll still be mindful of bright sunlight and move them under shade if it gets too intense and hot outside. If nighttime temperatures are dropping, we will bring them inside. Generally, after 7 to 10 days, the plants are well accustomed to living outside and can be planted. When you start the process to harden off your seedlings, it kickstarts a biochemical process that results in the leaves excreting a waxy substance. This substance helps protect the leaves from UV exposure and radiation. It's like Mother Nature has applied a natural sunscreen to your plants. At the same time, the stem will strengthen, and even the base of the leaves will get stronger as wind gently moves the leaves. After you've gone to the effort and expense of starting seeds, this one final step is just a small insurance policy that helps ensure you'll have a bountiful harvest. If you'd like to make stuff, grow stuff, or fix stuff, please subscribe to Farmerized Stuff. It means a lot to me. Until next time, we'll see you then.